We continue now with the award winners in construction, specifically residential construction. Once again, the judges were focused on their scoring to ensure only those projects that were exceptional received the required 90 to 100 marks to earn an award of excellence. Let's now reveal the province's best residential landscape construction projects.
Construction, $25,000 to $50,000. Award of Merit to Country Creek Homes, Oak Springs Escape, Frontier Landscapes, The Hackett Residence. Residential construction, $50,000 to $100,000. Award of Merit to Infinite Possibilities Group, Green Dream in the City, Blue Diamond Pools and Landscaping, luxury at its finest, Royal Decks Co., Agram Road, Oak Ridge Group, The Entertainer's Retreat, and the Award of Excellence goes to Boulder Design, Hamilton Heritage.
I invite the Award of Excellence winner for residential construction, $50,000 to $100,000, Boulder Design Inc., to the stage. Congratulations.
Residential construction, $100,000 to $250,000. Award of Merit to Shades of Summer Landscaping and Maintenance, The Lippe Residence, Infinite Possibilities Group, Hogs Hollow Hideaway, Arbordale Landscaping, A Moment to Reflect, Headwaters Landscaping, View from the Top, Land Art, Concord, Niagara Outdoor, Zenith Garden, Griffith Property Services, Into the Woods, Parkscape, Cedarvale, Three Seasons Landscapes, South View from West Oval, Wild Ridge Landscapes, Resort Living in Westboro, Action Home Services, The Gathering Place, Lincoln Woods Landscapes, Brick and Basil, Wentworth Landscapes, Form and Foliage, Wentworth Landscapes, Corte di Vigna, Shoreline Pools and Landscapes, Veronica, Avanti Landscaping, Sutherland Small Footprint with Big Design. And the Award of Excellence winners are Landscapers Near Me, Willowdale. Whispering Pines Landscaping, Westminster Gardens. Whispering Pines Landscaping, Greystone Acres.
I'd like to invite the Award of Excellence winners for residential construction, $100,000 to $250,000, Landscapers Near Me Limited, and Whispering Pines Landscaping to the stage. Congratulations.
Residential construction, $250,000 to $500,000. Award of Merit to Arbordale Landscaping, Elevated Garden Retreat, Rockscape, Georgian Bay Residence, ME Contracting, The Palmerston Oasis, Elements Hardscaping, Watson Road, Landscape Effects Group, Natural Tranquility, Landscape Effects Group, An Entertainer's Dream, The Landmark Group, Slopeside, The Landmark Group, Coastal Charm, Landscapers Near Me, Hagerman, Wentworth Landscapes, Live and Lounge Farmstead, Plantinens Landscape Group, Country Elegance, Planet Green Landscapes, Elegance on Gulfdale, Proscape Land Design, McDonald Oasis, Proscape Land Design, Highland Retreat, Green Scene Landscaping, Russell Hill Road, and the Award of Excellence winners are Arbordale Landscaping, Modern Backyard Resort, Shades of Summer Landscaping and Maintenance, the Oulette Residence, Parkscape, Withrow Park Zen Garden, Landmark Group, artful arrangement. Method Homes, Clooney Drive. Green Scene Landscaping, Palisades Lane.
I'd like to invite the 6 Award of Excellence winners for residential construction, $250,000 to $500,000, all to the stage, please. Congratulations. Residential construction, $500,000 to $1 million. Award of Merit to Rugged Earth Landscaping, The Bridges We Cross, Maple Ridge Landscapes, Rural Retreat, Partridge Fine Landscapes, Relaxing Elevations, Scenic Stone Landscape and Design, The Lux Retreat, Premier Landscaping and Design, North York Residence Front, Planet Green Landscapes, Cemetery Road Backyard Resort, Proscape Land Design, Watson Masterpiece. And the Award of Excellence winners are Van Bokel Landworks, Swallowdale Project. Rockscape, Lake Joseph Island property. The Award of Excellence winners for residential construction, $500,000 to $1 million. Van Bokel Landscape, Landworks Limited, and Rockscape to the stage, please. Congratulations.
Residential construction, over $1 million. Award of Merit to Parkscape, Kleinberg. Urban Terra Landscape and Design, Step into Serenity. And the Award of Excellence winners are Rockscape, Lake Muskoka Property. Rockscape, Lake Rosso Property.
The Award of Excellence winners for residential construction over $1 million, Rockscape, to the stage. Congratulations.